Hello, in this video I am going to talk about System.io free plan. As you can see on the screen. Hello, my name is Afzal and welcome to my channel Afzal Media. So as you can see, these are all the plans of System.io, and if you want to sign up for System.io, you can go to the first link in the description and sign up for absolutely free. Now as you can see on the screen, System.io has 4 different price plans, but we are going to talk about the free plan today. So in the free plan, as you can see, you can have at most 2000 contacts, and you can send them unlimited emails to those contacts. Then you can create up to 3 sales funnels in your free plan, and you can have at most 15 funnel steps in those funnels. You can have all 15 steps in one funnel, or you can have 5 in each, or whatever you want. You will have at most 15 steps in your sales funnels in your free plan. Then you can create a blog. That is more than enough, I think. If you are on a free plan, you can create a free blog. Then you can have unlimited blog posts in that blog, so that is awesome. You will get a free hosting. You just need is a custom domain that you can integrate to your account, and then you are good to go with your blog. You can create unlimited blog posts, as you can see. Then you can create a course as well in your free plan. If you want to know how to create a course in System.io, so I already have created a video. I have uploaded on my channel. You can find that video here in the I button, or you can find the link in the description as well. You can go and check out that video. Then you can have unlimited students in your course that can enroll into your course. These students are different from these contacts that you will have, that is limited to 2000 in your free plan, but you can have unlimited students, as you can see in your course, who can enroll in your course. Then you can create one community as well in your free plan. Then you can have unlimited members in that community. And the most awesome thing is you can have unlimited file storage, as you can see in your free plan. So that is amazing from System, because if you are uploading a number of lessons in your course, so you can upload a number of different videos, unlimited videos you can upload in your System.io account. So you will not need any third-party platform for hosting your videos. And if you want to know how to build that course, I already have uploaded a video on my channel. You can check out that video. You can find the link in the description below. Now you can have an automation rule, as you can see in your free plan, and a workflow as well. Then you can create one tag, and you can set up one email campaign in your free plan. Then you can create a one click upsell in your free plan. You can create an order bump as well. You can have one A/B test or split test. Then you can create one coupon code as well in your free plan. You can create deadline funnels. Stripe integration is allowed. PayPal integration, Razorpay integration, all these payment options are available in your free plan, as you can see. Then you can have assistant accounts as well, unlimited. Then you can run your own affiliate program. If you have any product, any physical or digital product, you can run your own affiliate program, so that different people can promote your product as an affiliate. You can run that program with the help of System.io in the free plan itself. Then you will have 24/7 email support as well, and you can integrate one custom domain into your account as well in your free plan. But what you cannot do in your free plan is just these 3 things. As you can see, you cannot run an evergreen webinar, you cannot have free migration, and one-on-one kickstart coaching session. So all these benefits you will get in your free plan, as you can see. So that's all from this quick video. And if you want to know more about System.io, so I already have created a review video about System.io. You can check out that video. You can find the link in here in the I button, or you can find the link in the description as well, where I have completely shown all the pros and cons of System.io. In that video I have reviewed the tool, so you can go to the link in the description and sign up for absolutely free for System.io if you want to sign up for the free trial. Now that's all from this quick video. Thank you and goodbye.